Dear friends, very good morning. Today, whatever we will study, that is of your book, exercise 4.3, question number 1. 4.3, question number 1. So it is given here. Draw the graph of each of the following linear equations in two variables. And the first question is x plus y is equal to 4. Through these questions, we will also understand why it is called linear equation. When we will draw its graph, it appears to be an algebraic terms, but algebra x plus y. But you will be amazed to see how it has been changed in a line when we draw in x-axis and y-axis. Before that, let me conclude what does it mean? You can say like that, it is asking the two numbers whose summation is 4. What are the numbers? So any students of class 4th, 5th will say like that, sir, it may be 0 plus 4, it may be 1 plus 3, it may be 2 plus 2, 3 means one value, I increase x value, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, I increase this value. Simultaneously, this value decreases, 4, 3, 2, this is 1 and this is 0. If I increase, so any students of class who doesn't know the negative numbers will say, okay, that's enough, because he will not use negative number, but you will use negative number also. We will use, because negative numbers has entered in class 6. 5, if this is increased to the 5, then what will be happen here? 5, then minus 1. Actually minus 1 you can take plus of minus 1 like that. 6 plus of minus 2. You have to do 5 minus 1. So I have written plus and minus, opposite signs. So minus will be there. 5 minus 1. So it is written in the form of plus. Okay. 7 plus, and you understand we have infinite limit. 100 plus minus of 96. Okay. So I have increased x, value of x. When I increase it, look at here. This is 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. It is going to decreased. If it is increasing, just like an arrow increasing, it is decreasing. And at the same constant rate, when I increase 1, it decreased by 1. When I increased by 2 to the 4, suppose we have 2 and we have increased 2, so it was decreased by 2. How much you increase, the same thing will be decreased. So that will be taught. Okay. What about x? If we take the value of x less than negative, less than 0 means minus 1. If this take I minus 1, the y will be positive, y increase. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and this will be 5. Then this will be minus 2. This will be 6. So you can find many values. This is also infinite, this is also infinite. So in the class 6th, we start to learn about number lines. And one thing more, this is not only for the integers, that was the positive integers, then I have included negative integers also. a real number, x is real number, y is real number, means 1 upon 2. If you take 1 upon 2 here, then this will be 3 and a half. If you take 2 means 1 whole 1 upon 2 means 1 and a half, here will be 2 and a half. So all the points are included, infinite number of. These all are called, solutions of this equation. Solutions means this all value will support this equation, will satisfy this equation. This is called solution. Okay, let us check. When we will draw on x axis, y axis, what type of lines it is. So first, in the class 6 we have made a number line. So here we will use x axis and y axis to represent our number. Let me take here, this is 0 and then equal distance 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, this is 4, this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, because you will be given graph paper, so no need to draw here if you use graph paper. Like this. So this is the number line. So any suppose I take x, so all these numbers are, if this is 0, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, 7, 8 and like that. And here minus 1, minus 1, this is minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Every number I can write, but that will be very difficult to write 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why I have written only these numbers. Means 0, 2, 4, 1 is there, 3 is there. Sometimes we write only 0, then 5, then 10. Okay. So this is the x. This is x. We will use x axis here. And in the coordinate geometry, I have told in the first class, when y axis is used and why it is taken, why this is not taken in this way. Always it is taken in perpendicular. So this in questions, coordinate axis, okay, perpendicular to it and the same number line. So this will be positive and this will be negative. Origin, this is origin. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. The equal spacing is very important. So that's why you have an already made graph. This is plus 2. Just like we take positive here, positive and negative. Right hand side positive. This was taught in class 6. And in class 8th it was up positive, below negative. 2, 4, 6, 8, this is 10, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, like that. Okay, so let's start from here. 0, this is x axis and this is y axis. So first point 0, 4. First we will take x axis. So this is x axis 0, 4. In y axis 4. So this is the first point 0, 4. After that 1 in x axis 1 and y axis 3. 1 and 3. X-axis 1 and y-axis 3. This is 3. This is 3. After that, this is 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2. Then 3 comma 1. 3 comma 1. Yeah. 4 comma 0. This is x-axis 4 and y-axis 0. These all points. After that, 5 comma minus 1. X-axis 5. X-axis 5. This is 5. Minus 1. Minus 1. Y-axis minus 1. That will be come down. That is 6 comma minus 2. This is 6 comma minus 2. 7 comma minus 3. This is 7 comma minus 3. This is minus 3. You are observing this is these points making a line and many things. As you increase this number 7, 8, 9, 10, y value will be decreased. So this point will come down, more come down. You increase, that will be decreased. Come on here. When x is equal to minus 1, y value 5. When this is minus 1, its value 5, y value 5. So this is x value minus 1, y value 5. X value minus 2, y value 6. 6. X value minus 3, y value 7. When you will keep this scale, all the points lies on a line. This is. This is all the points lies on this line. So that was x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. In questions, in exercise 4.3, question number 1, it was only asked to draw this line. Many things I would like to tell you here. This is the linear equation. Suppose you have to draw, okay, the first things, for a line, if we know this is power 1 and this is power 1. So for every value of 1, every value of x, we will get only one value of y. This is the linear equation condition. For each value of y, you will get only one value of x. Means if you take here 1, you will get here 1 value. In the class 11th, you will be taught about this 1 and 1 relation, 1 and 1 function. Sometimes it may happen that this is when you will take just like here x square plus y is equal to 4. If this equation would be, then for any value here, suppose we take here x square, y value I take minus of 5. This is 4. So this is minus 5, that will become here 9. So x square is equal to 9 and you will get x2 values. What? Plus 3 and minus 3. This is x2 value. For each value of y, you get 2 values of x. So this is not a line. It will be taught in class 11th. Okay. And sometimes also x square plus y square also, that will be a circle. For every value of x, 2y value will be there. For every value of y, 2x value will be there. And maybe power 3, power 4 also. In algebra, we will go much deeper. X to the power n plus y to the power n. Okay. So this is the line, because one value. For each value, 1. And that is called, it is linear equation. Okay. in the terms of, let me draw some more lines. It will be helpful for you in class 10th also, the same lecture, only glimpse of that one. So I have drawn x plus y is equal to 4. So the for the class 9th it is over, only glimpse of the class 10th, because we are drawing here. So let us draw some more. Suppose we take all this value as it is, but the value of y will be changed. How? You will see. Okay, have you noted it? That's why most of the times we tell you power 1, so that's why 1 value. Okay, if we take x plus y is equal to 4, the two numbers, the summation of two numbers is 4. If I will take, now it's an extra question, the summation of two number is 5 here, 6 here, 7 here, 8. Suppose I take 7. The two numbers, summation of two numbers is 4, and the questions would be the summation of two numbers is 7. Then what will be the result? Just come here, 0 comma. Suppose I change this question. I have made x plus y is equal to 4, and this is x plus y is equal to 7. One thing what I have done, we are not changing the coefficient of x and coefficient of y, only we are changing constant. Earlier it was 4 and now it is 7. Okay. One thing more, what do you think? To draw this, draw this is line. We have confirmed this is a line. To draw this, we should to know all the points. No, actually, you take only any value 2. All the answer will automatically come, and be confident and draw the line. All the answer will automatically come. Just come. Let's just check. Suppose, and the two most important values are there. When we take x equal to 0, this is x equal to 0, then what value of y will be there? 0 comma 7. And another, take y is equal to 0. The two most important value, take this is 0 comma 7, and then another take 0. If you take y is equal to 0, then what will be the value of x? That will be 7. Actually, with the help of these 2 points, we can draw all the equations, just like in x plus y is equal to 4. Where have you got? This was 0 plus 4, the first point, and when you take y as a 0, you will get 4. At this time, what you have got? This is the points on x-axis and y-axis, where this line cuts on the x-axis and y-axis. This is 4 comma 0. This is 4 comma 0, and this is 0 comma 4. So if any line is there, this may be a line. Line may be of this, line may be of this, line may be of this. Means this may be, these are parallel, these all lines are parallel. Okay, because you will see, I am not changing the coefficient of x, coefficient of y, only changing the constant. All the lines will be parallel. The same thing I will draw, x plus y is equal to 7. And means every time lines will cut x-axis and y-axis, some point. Suppose the line is also here. Suppose line is made like this, so it will cut y-axis at one point and x-axis at this point. Every line will cut. Questions goes another. No sir, every line, how does it cut? Yes, y and x. Suppose here, y and x. But if you will draw this line parallel, y-axis, suppose this is line, let me, this 2 crossing, but sorry, it is not cutting. No, it is not parallel. So when you will increase the graph, it will be cut. When it will not cut to the y-axis, it is cutting x-axis. When it will be parallel to this, So I will draw, I will tell you in this class 9th, class chapter number 4, when this will be parallel to the y-axis, this will not cut y-axis, but till then it will cut x-axis. Suppose it is here, this is x equal to 3 and y is equal to parallel. So the lines, these lines will be x equal to 3 parallel. This will be x equal to 2. I will tell you later. No y is here. So that's are called parallel to the y-axis. So lines will be like this. This parallel to the y-axis. At this time, only cutting the x-axis. So lines may be also parallel to the x-axis. At that time, the line will cut y-axis at one point, and that will be y is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. This is the line y is equal to 1. This is y is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, y is equal to 8, and this is y is equal to minus 4. At this time, we are not talking about any x. Y is equal to minus 4. This is y is equal to minus 4. Y is equal to minus 6, because we don't worry about the x. So y will be fixed, y is equal to minus 4, all the points y will be fixed, but x may be any value. So these will be parallel. Okay, so I have told you any line, it may not happen that line doesn't cut any point, you know, if the line is supposed this is cutting the only origin, so it is cutting at one point, this origin, one point, or this x-axis, one point, one axis, parallel and one axis. So either line will cut at one point, either it will cut at 2 point. The line can cut 3 point at in this axis? No. Always either 1 point on x-axis here, just like when the line will pass from the origin, that will cut this xy axis at 1 point origin. This may also case like this. So at any time, the line will cut either 1 point, these all lines. When I will draw the lines, this is the slowly I will teach you, and that will be taught in the class 10th also. So either point will cut at 1 point, like this also, parallel to the y-axis, or this also, either 1 point or always 2 point. So the line will cut 0, no, 1 or 2, and 3, no, means only 1 point and 2 point. No chance, you can't draw any line such that the line will not cut any x-axis or y-axis. No, some students will say, no sir, we can draw the line. What? When you will not draw lines on this plane. On this plane, all the lines will cut at either 1 times or 2 times. But when you increase, you know, when you will draw the lines on this plane, means you left the plane. This line, this will not cut. So that will be 3-dimensional. And then will become x, y and z. X, y and z. 3-dimensional, not, I am talking about 3-dimensional. This is 3-dimensional, that will not cut. It will cut this plane at this point, suppose this pierce. So 3-dimensional, not a, that will be taught in class 11th. Any line, x-axis. So again at that time, line cut the plane. So 3-dimensional, not. On this plane, any line is there, suppose you draw. So only 2 chance, either it will cut at 1 point or 2 point. 1 point are special. 1 point, either the line will pass either origin, the line will pass, or parallel to the axis. Parallel to the axis means x-axis or y-axis. Only 2 chance, parallel to the origin or axis. 2 points, all general lines. Except these, all lines will cut at 2 points. So why we take all the points? Because all the points will lies on itself. So we will take only whenever x equal to 0, means on the y-axis point, on the y-axis point, and when y is equal to 0 means on the x-axis point. And with the help of these two we can draw any line, just like there. You can draw this line and all the points will come automatically. You can check. Suppose I draw like this. We have not drawn this 1 comma 3, but it has come automatically. This is 1 comma 3, this is 2 comma 2, this is means all the line will come. Okay, now come here, 0 comma 7. So 0 comma 7, x axis 0, so no, this is not, this is x axis 0, and 0 comma 7, 1 2 3 4, this is 0 comma 7, the first point. And the second point, when y is equal to 0 means on y axis this is 0, so 0, after that 7, so 1 2 3 4 6 and 7, this is 7. When you drawing these two lines in deep, in application, you will see the application of this class in class 10th, and at that time you will remember me. These are parallel lines. This is x plus y is equal to 7. What about 10? Okay sir, you take 10 here, 10 means 10 comma 0. Suppose I take x plus y is equal to 10, then sir, one point is 0 comma 10 and 10 comma 0. So this is 10 comma 0 and this is 0 comma 10. So when we will draw this line, this is the three lines I have drawn. This is the first point, this first line, x plus y is equal to 4. If I will take 2 comma 2 here, 2 here and 2 here, so that will be 2 comma 2, means x plus y is equal to 4. Because all the times I have kept x plus y. If I will take x plus y is equal to 0, x plus y is equal to 2, I have drawn, this is 2 comma 2. 0 comma 2 and this is 2 comma 0. If I will draw x plus y is equal to 0, at that time 0 and 45 degree, this will pass through the origin. This will pass through the origin, because at this time 0 plus 0 you will get this one, and after that if you will take x equal to 2, then you will get y is equal to minus 2. X equal to 2, then y is equal to minus 2. It will be 0. So this. When you will take x equal to minus, y will be positive. What about this line? If you take minus 2 on the both sides, this will be x plus y is equal to minus 2. What about minus 4 here and minus 4 here? That will be x plus y is equal to minus 4. These all lines, this is x plus y is equal to minus 4, because it cuts on the y-axis minus 4, x-axis minus 4. So I can draw many lines now. This is, suppose this is x plus y minus 8 minus 8. And you see all the lines are parallel, because I am not changing the value of coefficient of x and y. That is why a, b, the general form of equation is these all lines, and whatever I have changed only the constant value. Only one graph it was asked to draw, x plus y is equal to 4. So this is x plus y is equal to 7, x plus y, this is x plus y is equal to 10, this is x plus y, means all these lines represent the summation of two numbers is 10, summation of two numbers is 7. So you are looking, I am not changing the coefficient of x and coefficient of y, only changing the constant, you get all the parallel lines. And when we will change here, this is x1 and y 2 times, So the inclination of the line, you know, line like this na, so line inclination will be changed, and then again you will change the constant value. So at that time you will get parallel lines again, parallel lines. But for this one inclination is this 45 degree, actually you will see 45 degree here, 45 degree. So that will be taught again in class 11th, because it is starting here in class 9th. It will go till your master degree, coordinate geometry, because in this geometry, this the new mathematics, it has been invented in 16th century, and whatever you have read geometry, that was 3000 BC, 4000 BC. Okay, so in another video I will tell you much more. That is why ax plus by and plus c, you know, whatever I have drawn, this is x plus y is equal to constant. Constant, it may be positive, negative, whatever, 0, 0, 2, 4, like that. See, the value of c is changing, so you are getting parallel lines, because at this time I have kept, so this is 1 and this is 1. If you will take, this is x and this is 2y, and then again c will be 3, 4, 5. So the inclination of the line will be changed, and when you will change the value of c, you will get parallel lines. So these are the questions in your book also, I will tell you. So general form of line is x, y and c, we come here c is equal to 0, and we take ax plus by plus c, this, and for the value of a and b you get inclination of the line, how it is inclined on the x-axis and y-axis. Lines may be of this type also, this. At this time value of a and b is changed. When you change the value of c only, you get parallel lines. Okay, so rest in the next video.